Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will ask ChatGPT to create 3 simple projects for me in React.js. A trivia game, a calculator app, and also a app that will allow the users to click a button and fetch a random image. So let's see what this thing can do. I'm gonna start with the trivia game. So I'm like, hey, can you create a simple trivia game for me in React.js? Please keep everything simple and provide some nice inline styles and keep everything in the main app.js file. All right, let's see what this thing can do. It already started creating the application and I'm very curious, to be honest. So we have some questions, answers. It's proceeding to make even more things. So let's see. Handle answer option click, set score 1, show score. Come on, and I'm not even using the plus version. If this thing works, I'm gonna upgrade to the plus version immediately. I'm telling you now. Okay, let's copy the code and paste it. I have an app here running, so I'm gonna paste my code in the app.js file, and I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna open, and I'm gonna refresh, and I can see the questions right here. But I want everything in the center, so let's see. I want everything in the center of the page. Please update the code and add some CSS inline styles. Okay, sure thing. Here's an updated version of the code with inline CSS styles to center everything on the page. Cool. I'm gonna wait for you again, my friend. You're my best friend. You became my best friend, literally, since you have been released. So I'm gonna wait for you. Okay. Question, current question +1. Sometimes it's making mistakes, but I don't see any mistakes here, so let's copy the code and let's return back to VS Code and let's replace it and hit save and return back, and we have again it's not the best, but which is the capital of France? Paris. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the smallest country in the world? I think it's Vatican. You scored 3 out of 3. Well, it's working. It did the job for me. I didn't do anything. I just asked it to give me the code. It gave me the code and it's working. Now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create another app for me. Okay, so I want an app which will have a button in the center of the page, and when I click the button, I want to fetch a random image from an open source API. Keep everything in the app.js file and make sure the button is below the generated image. Also, make sure there are some styles added to make it a bit user friendly. Let it cook. It's cooking again. Come on. Come on, my best friend. Let it cook. Okay. Get a random image, button, I can copy the code and I want to return again. I'm gonna delete the trivia app and I'm gonna paste this now. And let's see, I'm gonna save and I'm gonna return. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's already making the request, and I can click and I get another one and another one and another one. This is crazy. This is crazy, okay? Now, we can say this image is too big. Make images smaller. Sure, you can add the CSS to make the image smaller. Hmm. 50 view, max width, 50 viewport width. I'm curious to see what this thing did. So copy and paste again and let's see. Okay, it's a smaller image now and it's still working. Great. Great. Thank you, ChatGPT. You are amazing. So now, lastly, let's ask ChatGPT to create a calculator for us. Okay. Lastly, I want a calculator app. Keep the same structure as before. Everything in the main app.js file, and make sure you provide me with working code. I just want a simple working calculator. Okay, I'm gonna put an exclamation mark because I want to stress out this. And let's see. Sure, here's an example of a simple calculator app you can build in React. It's cooking again. Let's see. Let's see what this guy can cook for us. I'm hungry. Result, result, result. Handle, clear, value click. Woo, look at that. Look at that. If this thing works now, I will sign up for the upgrade. For the plus version. I will sign up for the plus version for sure. Okay, okay, okay. 0, handle, operator, click, button, 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 button. Woo, look at that. I can copy the code and I will return. And deselect everything and paste everything, and let's see. Wow. We have a calculator here. So 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Multiplied by 6 equals 18. Multiplied by 10 should be 180. Well, it's working. You have a working functionality. It's amazing. So that was it today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We saw a little bit what ChatGPT can do, and we saw that it's super useful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again in the future.